This video is going to talk about the two different types of sequences. The first type of sequence that we can have is arithmetic. An arithmetic sequence is one that grows by either addition or subtraction. The other type of sequence that we can have is a geometric sequence. A geometric sequence is a sequence that grows by multiplication. When looking at a geometric sequence, we don't want to look at a sequence as growing by division. Instead, we want to look at it by that sequence growing by multiplying by the reciprocal. And the reason why is because of how we write the explicit rules for a geometric sequence. So if you see the sequence as dividing by 4, for example, really that sequence is growing by multiplication of 1/4.